in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left side. And on the right side, select devices and then add a device. Select Bluetooth and then make sure your mouse is powered up and it is discoverable on your network, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.